Have you ever had a day where everything just seemed to fall into place? Maybe you found some extra cash in your pocket, heard exciting news, or bumped into the right person at exactly the right time. We often call this luck, but according to Reality Transurfing, there's more going on behind the scenes. Welcome to the Wave of Fortune. In this video, we'll explore how your thoughts can return to you like a boomerang, why negative energy can trap you, and how to break free by catching a ride on a current of good luck. If you've ever felt stuck in a whirlwind of daily problems, or wondered why good luck seems to come and go, stay tuned. This might just be the breakthrough you need. The Wave of Fortune is described as a cluster of favorable lifelines in the vast alternatives space. Imagine an entire ocean of possibilities that stretch before you, some radiant and promising, others stormy and harsh. A wave of fortune is like a shimmering crest in that ocean, waiting to carry you toward unexpected opportunities, fulfilling relationships, and genuine happiness. Unlike a pendulum which demands energy, attention, and often drains us, this wave doesn't need anything from you. It simply appears, offering a free ride to better circumstances. Think of it like a random ocean wave that's strong enough to carry a tired swimmer safely to shore. In Reality Transurfing, pendulums are energetic structures, groups, habits, or mindsets that feed on your emotional or mental energy. A pendulum can be something as small as a daily complaint habit or as big as a toxic social movement. When you get caught up in negativity, drama, or fear, you're basically feeding that pendulum. By contrast, waves of fortune require zero energy from you. They're more like golden pathways that lead to positive events. You can choose to ride that wave or miss it depending on where you direct your thoughts and focus. One central theme of transurfing is that your thoughts always come back around like a boomerang. If you're constantly complaining about your cramped apartment, your rude neighbors, or your tough boss, you're sending out negative frequencies. These vibrations line up with lifelines that contain similar dissatisfaction. Sure, you might physically move to a new house or get a new job, but if the negative pattern persists, you'll discover fresh problems. The same cycle repeats. Flip the script. Instead of dwelling on what you dislike, try shifting attention to what you want. If you dislike your current home, thank it for keeping you safe. Even if it's small or outdated, it shields you from the rain and wind. By replacing resentment with gratitude, you gradually tune your thoughts to more positive frequencies. Over time, you'll find you're on a path to better living conditions without that same weight of negativity. Sometimes, a single stroke of good fortune, like an encouraging phone call or an unexpected gift, can lift your spirits. This is the wave of fortune at work. If you embrace that good mood, you're effectively locking in on more positive lifelines. But if a destructive pendulum interrupts, maybe you get an annoying phone call or start worrying about a past mistake, you risk losing momentum. When something good happens, hold on to that feeling longer than usual. Sever it, think it over, talk about it with friends. This helps your thoughts resonate at higher frequencies, drawing in more favorable opportunities. Breaking free from negative spirals. It's easy to fall into negativity when faced with everyday stress. The boss yells, the car breaks down, the weather is terrible. But remember, every negative outburst feeds the pendulum's swing. According to Transurfing, what you send out returns to you. A brief flare of anger can open the door to new hassles down the line, things like a minor accident, an unpleasant argument, or some other frustration that magically appears. Try to catch yourself mid-reaction the moment you notice, wait, I'm fueling a pendulum here, is the moment you reclaim your power. It takes practice. Habits are hard to break, but each time you do it, you weaken the pendulum's grip. Over time, you'll develop a habit of remembering, which becomes your shield against life's daily dramas. Ever seen a merchant offer a deep discount to their first customer, hoping to kickstart a profitable day? Or a local vendor who waves a dollar bill around their merchandise as if to bless it? At first glance, these rituals look superstitious, but in transurfing terms, they help the seller tune to the frequency of successful sales. They believe in the ritual, which anchors their thoughts in an upbeat, confident state. This confidence can attract more buyers. The ritual itself isn't magic. The real power is in the thought energy it sparks. If a daily mantra or token helps you fix your thoughts on your goals, it might be worth trying. The key is focusing your mind and emotions on a positive, outcome-friendly frequency. Sustaining the positive vibration. One of the trickiest parts is keeping that high-energy vibe going. Once you land your first win, everyday life can rapidly pull you back into routine worries. Transurfing encourages you to treat every small success as a stepping stone. Notice it, treasure it, share it, and expect more. By doing this, you keep the momentum. Negative news will always be out there, but you get to decide how much weight it holds in your life. Filter out negativity. This doesn't mean ignoring reality, but choosing not to dwell on destructive inputs that don't serve you. Celebrate wins, big or small. Each is a sign you're aligning with more fortunate lifelines. The real paradox of choice. Transurfing argues that we are freer than we think. We can literally choose the lifelines where happiness and success are the norm. Yet many of us stay trapped in destructive patterns, unable to believe we can really just choose something else. Real freedom comes when you stop feeding pendulums of stress and negativity and start consciously choosing which signals to amplify and which to ignore. So here's your invitation. Next time you sense something good happening, no matter how small, pause and soak it in. That ray of sunshine might be your personal wave of fortune. Decide that you're ready to ride it. Replace frustration with gratitude, suspicion with curiosity, and fear with possibility. Watch how your mood brightens and see if new solutions and surprises appear. It's not about denying difficulties in life, it's about choosing to give your energy to what truly serves you. If this message resonates with you, subscribe for more insights into reality transurfing. Let's keep learning how to break old habits, step into new lifelines, and create realities that truly reflect our deepest hopes. Because in the end, your thoughts always come back like a boomerang, so why not send out something wonderful? Thank you for watching, and remember, the wave of fortune is always there. All you have to do is decide to ride it.